Hi folks, in today's Creo Illustrate tutorial, I'm going to focusing on the sectioning. So you are able to do the illustration, move the components, and sometimes you would like to also show what is inside of your assembly. So we would like to use the sectioning. So go to the sectioning tab, and in section tab, you are able to click the button view section. Then the system will show you the default section. And from the preset section, you are able to use the drop-down menu and use the, for example, X or Z or Y as the default. If you would like to change the orientation, for example, for the X-axis section, you can select and show the boundaries by the selection and then also select the boundaries, and in the right mouse button, you can choose the functionality flip direction. You can see also here that we are able to specify the movement, so you can move simply and drag, yeah. And also you can specify the orientation, so you can see that it's possible to orient. It's the same like for the movement of the components. If you hit the control button, the system will also jump and orient, for example, every 30 degrees, or also the movement will be based on the measurement. The another possibilities are that you would like to include all necessary parts, or you can specify what will be included in the section. So you can select or mark the intersect with all or not, and then you are able to specify the part for the selection. I will specify all and add the selected. And then inversion mode will be that, for example, this shaft will be not included. So I will remove the selected component. And with the selection, you are able to add, by removing or adding the selected components to the section. Sometimes we would like to also add the quarter cut. So we are able to select quarter cut. The system will allow to also move the planner. Yes, so you can specify the movement and also the placement. If you are satisfied with the position, maybe then at the end you don't want to see the boundaries, so you can switch off the boundaries. And at the end, my recommendation is that you will also use the right mouse button, and over here is the figure settings. So if you will select the figure settings, you can maybe play with the color. And as you can see right now, these colors are black. So if I will change the primitive from default, and for example, we will use the yellow color for this example, maybe we would like to use it and see all connected components, not in the black, but maybe in the yellow color. And now your section is defined as you need, and you have new information how to work with the Creo Illustrate and sectioning. Stay tuned and bye-bye. Vladimir.